Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a WhatsApp channel on your laptop. So let me go here, and on the left side here you can see these are the couple of options. Simply you need to click here on channels, and now if you want to create a new channel, then on the top here you can see plus button, click here. Then you can find channels, as well as you can also create your own WhatsApp channel. Then after that click here continue button. Now here you can add channel image, and you can add channel name. For example, let me add enable website design 10. Then you can add some information about your channel. Then after that click here create channel. So here you can see channel is created. Now you can add here some content. If you want to add images and photos as well as videos, then you can select this one. You can directly capture and do live streaming using camera, as well as you can also add new stickers, and you can type anything on your YouTube channel. So you can also share your YouTube channel link with anyone. So you can directly copy this one link and you can share it anywhere to promote your WhatsApp channel.